Day 7 of the Indian Chieftain Black Label build. We've successfully locked in the underside of this massive fuel tank. The edge seals are set, and we're trimmed out for the next phase. This huge teardrop tank is a masterpiece of geometry, which means a single-piece install is a fail. We're mapping out a strategic multi-piece bulk install to maintain the structural integrity of the TPU while ensuring the seams are invisible to the eye. Every small component, the side covers, the accents, is now fully encapsulated in metallic cherry red. They're sitting in the clean room for a 24-hour cure before we hit them with the final surgical trim tomorrow. No rushed edges here. Now, for the heavy lifting, the rear fender. Sidewalls are already locked. We're moving to the top surface, starting with the brake side before transitioning to the clutch side. By shingling the film this way, we ensure the elements, wind and rain, flow over the seams, not into them.
Too legit, see it from a distance, sitting on the hills. All these chains got 'em sick, just like Benadryl. No account, it's amounts. No, I gotta count. Boys
Check the forks, tucked, cut, and heat sealed for that factory plus finish. We are getting closer to the reveal of the ultimate boss bagger. Precision isn't a goal, it's the standard. This is day 7.